What's up, folks? Self-made jacket trades here. I fished this area so many times. I haven't really caught any fish lately, but hopefully today I catch some fish. If I do, there will be a video. They're right in front of me. I see them swimming right in front of me. And see, I knew it. He's right in front of me. I knew it. Hopefully he didn't swallow all the hooks. All right, calm down a bit. All right, good. You only took one hook. There we go. Let's release you. They're there. That was a bite. That was a bite. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's what we're talking about. Nice size one. I don't know. Should I save them? He's not done fighting yet. All right, all right. Let's see if we can save you. Oh, the hook came out. All right. We can save you. All right, buddy. Come on. Come on. There you go. There we go, there we go, there we go. That's a nice size one. Yeah, oh, that's nice. All right, hold on. Where's my net? Oh. Oh my God! They're right in front of me, man. There we go. There we go. That's what we're talking about. Man, I should start keeping them. Seems like I'm going to limit out. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, good thing he came off. Even better. Saved me a headache. GoPro, stop recording. I have a feeling if I throw it that way, they'll follow it in. There we go. That's another fish. Beautiful. I knew it was going to hit right in front of me though. He's going to come off the hook. There we go. That's a bite. There we go. Should have kept him today. I would have limited out. He's not really putting up a fight though. It's a small one. Let's hope he didn't take all 3 hooks. This is the way I got it. Ah, thank God you came off.